Hello everyone, I'm James and you're watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to hard reset your Lenovo Tab 7-inch tab. It's a Lenovo TB 7104F tablet PC. This tablet, the pattern lock has been forgotten and unable to log into. Please remember that if you hard reset your tablet PC, you will lose each and every data of stored in your tablet. If you have a memory card, then there's nothing to worry, the data in the memory card won't be deleted, but the internal memory of this tab will be erased completely. So remember that, keep that in mind, that you will lose each and every data, bank details, photos, contacts, messages, each and everything, WhatsApp messages, everything. And take care and do the hard resetting on your own risk. This video is only for educational purpose of information, not to be misused. And see that you will do the hard reset only on the tab you own and not on the tablet PC if anybody has problem with or who has found it somewhere or has been stolen. Take care and do the hard resetting on your own risk. Let's continue. It's a Lenovo TB7104F and it has an Android version of 8.1.0. Here the pattern lock is being forgotten, so we need to first hard reset it, and if there is any Google account linked to this tab, we need to unlock the FRP as well. For hard resetting it, first we need to turn it off. Okay, now press and hold both volume plus and minus key. If this process doesn't work, then you should need to check with the volume plus and minus keys whether any one of the keys is not working properly. So now press and hold volume minus plus and power on key. As you see, now we are seeing only the fast boot mode in the sense only the volume plus key is working. Volume minus key has some problem, so I need to hard press the volume minus key. Just press and hold power key for 10 seconds, more than 10 seconds. I need to hard press the volume minus key because it has some problem. Keep pressing release the power key and keep on pressing the volume minus and plus. Unless we see the Android symbol. volume plus minus and the power key. This is the power key after the display select, and you see the Lenovo logo on the screen. Just release the power key, but keep pressing the volume plus and minus. Yes. You see the Android logo. Press the power and the volume plus key at once together, and as you can see now, there are options like reboot system, as you can see the volume minus key is a little hard to press. See, just take the cursor down to wipe data and factory reset. As you can see, this is the wipe data or factory reset, and press the power key. It will ask whether you really want to delete the data, and the data related cannot be undone. This cannot be undone, that is, you will lose all the data. Each and everything which is in your tab, that is photos, contacts, IDs, bank details, everything will be erased. Now press the power key, bring the cursor down to yes, and as you can see it shows yes here. Yes, and then press the power key. It's resetting, and now reboot. Press the power key once again. System will reboot. If the tab has only the pattern was locked, so the hard resetting may solve the problem. If you have linked the Google account to the tab, you installed any Google account and linked it to the server, then we need to unlock the FRP as well. And let's see if this tab has a Google account, then we'll continue with the FRP unlocking process. Okay, now we'll start it. Start. So if you see this skip button here, then it means your tab is reset successfully. And there was no Google account linked to this tab. So let's no need to assign any. All these settings can be done later, so I am just skipping them and saying no and skipping them out. So now this one is regarding the pattern lock. I'll show you how to, for this same tab, how to unlock the FRP in my next video. So keep tuned in and check my next video for unlocking the FRP of this particular Lenovo model. I'll just show you the details, system, and in the about tab. Here you can see it is the model is Lenovo TV7104F, Android version 8.1.0. So the same tab, I will show you how to unlock the FRP in my next video. Hope this video was helpful for you in hard resetting your Lenovo tab, Lenovo TV7104F tablet PC, 7-inch tablet PC. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.